Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to do sort number 121, and this is our final unaccented syllable endings, and the ending is cher or ture or cher. So we're going to get started. I need you to have your paper, and remember we fold the paper in half the long way. Make sure you make your fold nice and tight. Then we fold it in half one more time. Make it nice and tight, and we fold this up. Then we fold it up again. Then we fold it up one more time. Remember, by that last time, you only see 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I usually hit it a little bit because by now it is really thick. When you're done, I need you to open up your paper. And when you open it up, you can see the fold lines, those lines that were created by folding the paper. And I need you to take a marker or a pencil, and I need you to trace those fold lines. Pause your video here and trace your fold lines. Now that you've traced your fold lines, remember that the blank, big blank, goes to the top. And this is where we're going to write our headers. So our first header is cher. That's the ending, so the word comes here. That's why I put a line. And then I put C-H-E-R. And the next one is cher. This one is T-U-R-E. And then we have cher. That is S-U-R-E. See how you see the word sure? All right, and then we have our last one is our oddball. And you remember oddballs are words that don't follow that rule. So my first word that we're going to write down is teacher. I wonder how many of you are going to be a teacher. And you see the cher, C-H-E-R, so it goes in this column. Our next word is nature. Nature. And nature has T-U-R-E, so it goes in this column. And then we have pressure. No pressure here. Pressure. And you see, if I cover this up, you see the word sure, but pressure. Remember, there's 2 S's. And since it has that ending, it goes in this column. Then we have senior. This does not go into any of our endings, so this is my oddball. All right, my next word is danger. Again, my ending here does not match any of the endings we're sorting for, so this is my other oddball. Then I have the word pitcher. I love a good pitcher of iced tea. Pitcher. And it has the C-H-E-R, the cher, so it goes over here. Rancher. Rancher also goes in the cher. Capture. They capture the robber. Capture. And you can hear cap. And then you can hear cher. Remember, when you chunk the words, it makes it easier when you spell long words. So the cher puts it in this column. Future. Your future is bright. Future. And it has the The T-U-R-E goes right here. Pleasure. It is a pleasure to have you in my class. Pleasure. And see the word? It goes right here. Pleasure. Leisure. What do you do in your leisure time when you're not in school? Leisure. And you see it. It goes right here. My next word is catcher. Have you ever been the catcher in a baseball game? Catcher. And you see the cher goes right here. Then mixture. I like a good mixture in my trail mix. Mixture. And you see it right there. It goes in this column. Creature. Creature. Do you like horror movies where there is a creature? Creature. You got it. My next word is treasure. I wish I could find some treasure. And you're right, it goes right here. Measure. When you cook something, you have to carefully measure. Measure. My next word is pasture. Pasture is the field where animals graze. Pasture. And you see it, it goes right here. Then there is torture. I know sometimes you feel like schoolwork is torture. You got it. It goes in this field. And our last word is picture. And that also goes in this column. Now that we have all our words, I need you to go pause the video here, make sure that you spelled them correctly. Then I need you to cut them out, sort them, and take a picture and post it on Class Dojo. See you next time, my friends.